Leetcode Daily Challenge. Question 1582. Special positions in a binary matrix. This is an easy problem. This problem is asking us to find out all the special positions. So a position is special when this row, the summation of this row is 0, and the summation of this column is 0. But we don't want to do the loop 3 times. Say we go through all the elements in this matrix and we check the summation of this row and the summation of this column. We don't do this because this gonna triple the time complexity. So instead of loop it 3 times, we can prepare a summation first. Say for this given matrix, we can calculate the summation of each column and each row before we loop all elements in this matrix. That is how we check if it is special or not. But that's the 3 steps we're gonna solve this problem.